Hello mga kapatid, this is the verse of the day. Parents, don't be hard on your children. If you are, they might give up. Discipline is good, but discipline them with love and not anger. This verse urges parents to avoid actions that dishearten their children. Instead, lead them by loving kindness, patience, and encouragement that will help children grow with confidence and integrity. Mga kapatid, bilang magulang, iwasan natin saktan ang damdamin ng ating mga anak sa pamamagitan ng masakit na salita o sobra-sobrang disiplina. Sa halip, palakihin natin sila sa pag-ibig, pangunawa at paggabay na magpapalakas ng kanilang loob at pananampalataya. Ang galing, no? O siya, God bless mga kapatid.